Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel. Today we're exploring a topic that sounds intimidating but affects thousands of vulnerable people across England: deprivation of liberty safeguards, or DOLS for short. Stick with us. This isn't just about law. It's about human rights, dignity, and making sure people aren't unfairly locked away without legal protection. Let's start with the basics. Deprivation of liberty means restricting someone's freedom to leave a place or make decisions for themselves. It usually applies to individuals in care homes or hospitals who lack capacity to consent to their arrangements. So if someone's under constant supervision, not allowed to leave without permission, and has decisions made for them, they may legally be considered deprived of liberty. And yes, this must be authorized. So what exactly are DOLS? Well, the Deprivation of Liberty Safeguards were introduced under the Mental Capacity Act 2005. They're basically designed to protect people who can't make decisions about their care or treatment. DOLS make sure that the deprivation is in the person's best interests. It's absolutely necessary, and it's legally authorized and regularly reviewed. In other words, it's not just about locking doors. It's really about fairness, transparency, and accountability. DOLS apply when a person aged 18 or over is in a hospital or care home and lacks the mental capacity to consent to their care. The key conditions stipulate that the individual is under continuous supervision, they're not free to leave, and they've not consented to the arrangements. And no, a person doesn't have to protest or object. It's about their rights, not their reaction. So, who authorizes it? Local authorities, known as supervisory bodies, are responsible for authorizing a DOLS. They assess whether the deprivation is lawful and necessary. They appoint assessors to consider 1. Mental capacity, 2. Mental health, 3. Eligibility for DOLS, and 4. Whether it's in the person's best interests. A relevant person's representative is also assigned, someone who supports them and can challenge the authorization if needed. Without DOLS, vulnerable people risk being detained unlawfully, even in a well-meaning care home. Legal safeguards are vital because they 1. Empower families to challenge decisions, 2. Ensure care providers remain accountable, and 3. Protect against potential abuse or neglect. At Blackstone Solicitors, we believe that legal protection should never be out of reach, especially when someone can't speak for themselves. If you believe a loved one is being deprived of their liberty without proper authorization, or if you're a care provider navigating this legal minefield, reach out to our expert solicitors. We can help with DOLS applications, appeals, and legal advice, always delivered in plain English. Because safeguarding isn't just a legal duty, it's a moral one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our legal insights.